Everyone, my name is Sarthi Bedre, Indian नेशनल कॉलेज इंदौर। मेरा आज का टॉपिक है ऑस्टियोप्रोसिस। ऑस्टियोप्रोसिस में क्या होता है? Overview: osteoporosis is the causes bones to become weak. The brittle so brittle that fall or the even mild stress such bending over or cutting can causes the fracture or osteoporosis related fracture most commonly occur in the hip, wrist or the spine. Bone in living tissue that is the constantly being broken down and the replaced. Definition of the osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is weakness bones, making them more susceptible of the sudden and unexpected fracture. The disease often progress without any symptoms or pain and is not found until bones fracture. You can take steps to prevent this disease and treatments do exist. हमें डायग्राम में दिख रहा है हेल्थी बोन एंड ऑस्टियोप्रोसिस बोन। नॉर्मल वर्टिबल कैसे दिखाई देता है एंड ऑस्टियोप्रोसिस वर्टिबल बोन एंड नॉर्मल बोन्स स्ट्रक्चर और बोन विथ ऑस्टियोप्रोसिस femoral head and femoral head hip fracture, femur and this femur. Causes: your sex, age, race, family history and body frame size. Your sex: women are the much more likely to develop osteoporosis than are men. Age: the older you get, the greater your risk of the osteoporosis. Race: you are at the greatest risk of the osteoporosis if you are the white or of Asian descent. Family history: having the parents or the sibling with the osteoporosis puts you at the greater risk, especially if you are the father. Fracture and hip. Body frame size: men and women who have small body frames tend to have a higher risk because they might have less bone mass to the draw from as they are the age. Hormonal level: the sex hormones, the thyroid problems and other glands. Hormonal level: the sex hormones lowered sex hormones level tend to weakness bone. The fall in the estrogen level in the woman at the menopause is the one of the strongest risk factors for the developing osteoporosis. Treatment for the prostate cancer: that the reduct testosterone levels in the man and the treatments for breast cancer, that the reduced estrogen level in the woman are likely to accelerate bone loss. Thyroid problems: too much thyroid hormones can cause bone loss. This can occur if your thyroid is overactive or if you take too much thyroid hormones. Medication to the treat in underactive thyroid. Other glands: osteoporosis has also been associated with the overactive parathyroid and the adrenal glands. डाइटरी फैक्टर्स में हम देखते हैं लो कैल्शियम इंटेक, ईटिंग डिसऑर्डर एंड गैस्ट्रोइंटेस्टिनल सर्जरी. द लो कैल्शियम इंटेक: lifelong lack of the calcium plays a role in the development of the osteoporosis. Low calcium intake contributes to diminished bone density, early bone loss, and in the increased risk of the fracture. ईटिंग डिसऑर्डर में हम देखते हैं सेवरली फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग फूड इन ब्रीथिंग अंडर वेटिंग वीकनेस बोन इन द बोथ मेन इन ओमेन गैस्ट्रो इंटोटेस्टाइनल सर्जरी to reduce the size of your stomach or to remove part of the intestine limits the amount of the surface area available to absorb nutrition including calcium. These surgeries includes this to help you lose weight and for other gastrointestinal disorder. पैथोफिजियोलॉजी हम देखते हैं रिस्क फैक्टर एंड ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस। रिस्क फैक्टर में देखते हैं पोस्टनेटल ओल्ड एज मेडिकेशन एंडोक्राइन डिसऑर्डर एंड इन्फ्लेमेटरी आर्थोपैथी हीमोपैथी एंड डिसऑर्डर एंड न्यूट्रिशनल डिसऑर्डर। ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस में हम देखते हैं बोन mineral density, the imbalance of the bone remodeling, the bone resorption, risk of the fracture, and determine the quality of life and the life expectancy. Clinical manifestation. There typically are so symptoms in the early stage of bone loss, but once your bones have been weakened by the osteoporosis, you might have signs and the symptoms that include back pain caused by the fracture or the collapsed vertebra, loss of the high over time to stooped posture, a bone that the breaks much more easily than expected. Diagnostic evaluation, history correction, physical examination, serum calcium, serum phosphorus, bone density test, CT scan, अल्ट्रासाउंड इन एक्सरे। डायग्नोस्टिक इवैल्यूएशन हमें हिस्ट्री कलेक्शन देखेंगे, फिजिकल एग्जामिनेशन करेंगे और ब्लड इन्वेस्टिगेशन में सीरम कैल्शियम, सीरम फास्फोरस और बोन डेंसिटी करेंगे, पेशेंट का CT स्कैन करेंगे, सोनोग्राफी एंड एक्सरे करेंगे। ट्रीटमेंट Bisphosphonates of the for both men and the women at the increased risk of the fracture. The most widely prescribed osteoporosis medication are the bisphosphonates. The examples includes uh, Andronate, Vinostopa, Fosamax, and Ibandronate, Bonivina, Disanoid, Actimental, Tetulovia, and Zoledronic acid, regulation, and geometria. Content हार्मोन्स रिलेटेड थेरेपी। इसमें हम हार्मोन्स रिलेटेड थेरेपी दे सकते हैं। एस्ट्रोजन स्पेशली व्हेन स्टार्टेड सून आफ्टर मेनोपॉज कैन हेल्प द मेंटेन बोन डेंसिटी। कंटेंट bone building medication. If you have a severe osteoporosis, if the more common treatment for osteoporosis don't work well, not your doctor might suggest trying territorial bone for you. This powerful drug is the similar to parathyroid hormones and the stimulates new bone growth. It's given of the daily in injection under the skin for up the 2 year. Abalofericid in times in the another drugs is similar to parathyroid hormones. These drugs can be taken for only 2 years. Rhombozyme eventuality. This is the newest bone building medication to treat osteoporosis. It is given as an injection every month at your doctor's office and limited to 1 year of treatment. Lifestyle and home remedies. Don't smoke, limit alcohol, prevent and falls. Don't smoke. Smoking increase rates of the bone loss and the chance of the fracture. इसमें अधिक स्मोकिंग करने से बोन लॉस एंड द चांस ऑफ फ्रैक्चर होने का फ्रैक्चर हो सकता है. लिमिट एल्कोहल, हमें लिमिट्स में एल्कोहल लेना चाहिए. कंज्यूमिंग मोर देन 2 एल्कोहलिक ड्रिंक्स अ डे में डिक्रीज बोन फॉर्मेशन. बीइंग under the influence of the alcohol also can increase your risk of the falling. Prevent falls. Wear low heeled shoes with the non-slip soles and check up your house for electrical cords, area rugs and the slippery surface that might cause you to all keep rooms brightly install grapes or just inside and outside your shower door and make your sure you can get into and out of the your bedside easily. Thank you.